Hello everyone. Here we got Scrapper, one of the Constructicons. I don't do a lot of collectibles on my channel, but I have a soft spot for Transformers Masterpiece scale. This is a Fan Toys. This is actually a really big box. It's one of the bigger boxes I've got from Fan Toys. Picked this up from ages 3 and up in Canada. Great service. Check them out online. I believe they still have stock. So here's comparison. Here's my Jazz box. You can see the difference. It's quite big. I haven't opened it yet. Let's get into it. It's embossed. See that there? It's embossed. As usual, here's these little cards. They're really nice. Let's have a look at the manual. Hope it's not too hard to transform. We'll find out. This is just the other language. Is that Japanese or no? Oh, it's just more instructions. There she is. Wow, it is pretty big. Wow, he's really tall. Zoom in on that. He's really heavy. Wow, that's pretty heavy. Oh, that's big. Alright, what else we got here? Got the trumpet. It's really shiny, the trumpet. It's metal. It's actually really nice quality. And we got the gun. The gun is just plastic. All right. So first thing I noticed when I'm looking at this, let's get rid of this, is that the green has a bit of an iridescent to the paint. You can see it when the light catches it. It's got a bit of an iridescent to it, which is really cool, surprising. You can't really, couldn't tell that in the videos from Fan Toys website. I just didn't notice it. The purple doesn't seem to have an iridescent, but it does just seem to have like a satin finish. And it's heavy. This thing's heavy. So let's see here, what can we do with this thing? Let's zoom in. Break anything here. Do these not? I don't, oh, there it goes. It's really stiff, but salute. It's pretty stiff. Let's loosen it up a bit. Fingers do. Each finger individually opens. Well, that's pretty cool. There you go. Rock on. What does the head do? Tilt up. Doesn't tilt down, obviously. Does not. Oh, it turns. It's really stiff, which I guess is a good thing. All right, let's see what the legs do. So that way. All the way up. I guess because this is in the way, it's as far as that's going to go that way. But it'll go that way. And the toes go back. Let's see this way. Cool. Does it twist? I think it does. I think that's all it does, though. It's not that much. That's fine, though. Nice figure. Let's see how the gun fits. Supposed to put that in there. There we go. Let's do the trumpet. I guess the trumpet, same thing. Trumpet, it's a different size. I don't think it's gonna. I don't think it's meant to really go in there. I think though he can hold it. There you go. Yeah, it doesn't really hold that well, the trumpet. far as I'm gonna go with that. No. All right. Well, it's a nice figure. It'll be really cool to get all the rest. This goes up. It does the splits. Do a height comparison. Here's my Jazz fan toys. So he's pretty big boy. Sorry, I got a small space here. Cool. Do a quick turnaround with some poses. Okay, so I went ahead and I transformed it into the Devastator leg portion, and that took quite a while. Looks good. It's really tall. Here, I'll show you a comparison. All right, so here he is compared to Jazz. And here it is compared to Soundwave. It's pretty good size. So for movement, actually I'll take a look at it first. So for movement, we have, goes back that way. And it has a little bit of a swivel for turning here. Looking good. Can't wait for the rest. Thanks for watching. Shit. Sure hope that ain't broke. Where did that go? Fuck. Pause.